Don't cry. I like a boy. Why do you want to know? Fine, but yeah, but I bet you were joking. So I'm gonna joke. Let's see. I like this boy. His name is, dude, I don't want to say it. You already know. Matthew. Oh my god. Yeah, there is. I don't know if I can pronounce it correctly. Yes. Well, you just said his last name. Yes. The whole thing? Yes, that's the one. Matthew. I'm not gonna say the last name on Skype or on Kick. Dude, I'm not gonna say on Instagram. Why? No, you're recording. Why would you make me say that? Because you record all the time. Fine. I like this boy, and his Instagram is Matt Chewy. Oh my god.